Hi, this is Scott Thompson in Retail Tech, and in this video, we're going to demonstrate how to create an order with a PO number attached to it. Now, this is something that uh, really you only want to be doing if you have a need for it, and that your company or your store that you work for, does this on a regular basis. Um, just don't be doing it just to see how it works, please. But every order you do, you can put a PO number on it. And this is going to impact how that invoice will appear when it gets generated and how it's going to appear on your statement. So that's why the warning of that it should only be used for those people that really have a need to be using PO numbers through our ordering system. I'm going to go ahead. I've already got a login up and in a store. I'm going to create a new order. Hit the little plus sign, start a new batch. I'm going to skip over the name, so we'll assign one. I'm going to put in a date down the road a little bit here so that I can delete it later. I don't want this order to actually get processed. And here is where I'm going to key in the PO number. Now, it's called a PO number, but it can be um, alphanumeric. It's no problem with letters or numbers. All right, so special order. A lot of people will key in things like today's date, 2021 05/18 for May 18th, year 2021. That's a good way to enter PO numbers if you want it to be able to tie back to a particular batch. And I'm going to hit start order. And I am going to go ahead and manually add one item that I've got here. Doesn't matter, how you enter the item. All right. And I'm now going to go ahead and hit submit. And are you sure? I'm going to say submit. Okay, and that order has been submitted. Now I'm going to, if I'm set up to get an email, I'll get an email of this. If I am, but at this point, I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to look at this order over on MyUnify and I'm going to look at it on SV Harbor. So I'll be right back. Okay, I've logged into SV Harbor. I've gotten into SV Inquire. Here's the store I was using in my test order. I'm gonna come down here to order information. You got to drop down here where you can pick to search the orders by either PO number or confirmation number. This is the confirmation number that you get when you submit a batch. But here I'm going to use the PO number, and I called it SPECIALORDER. Click add, and then do search. Okay, and there's that item that I ordered. If I download this as a spreadsheet, there'll be a column that it says PO number. All right, so I'm going to pause here again. Okay, I'm back. This time I'm in MyUnify, and I am looking at the store that I submitted that PO from, and I'm going to go down here to orders. Okay, or right here on this summary screen, here's the order right here, my orders, that special PO. If I click it, here's the one item I ordered. Over here on the right-hand side in the details, there's that PO number. Okay, so this is looking at the same order well. This one's using MyUnify, and it matches up with what we saw in SV Harbor. I'm going to pause again, and now we're going to look and see what this would look like once it's invoiced. Okay, I am now back over on SV Harbor in SV Wire, and I did a little bit of a cheat. I duplicated a PO that this retailer had done several weeks ago. So we're now looking at the finished product, the finished invoice. This was back on 4/19, and I happen to know that that special order that he keyed in came out with this invoice here. I'm going to open that invoice up. And let's see, let's open it up. All right, so let's open that up again. I had it in the wrong mode. Let's click that invoice up. And here's what the invoice looks like. And what's special here is that in this box called PO number has the word special order. So this will take whatever it is I keyed in on my order gun, and it travels through the order well, through invoicing, and will occur here. Later on the statement, they will see this invoice. You'll still have your invoice number, but it'll also on the statement gives them this whatever is in the PO number as well. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you.